everybody, this is Christina Toy Cosmetics video. Right now we're going to talk about how you can dance with your unique beauty. So let's hit up this music.
Oh, that's fun. Some hip hop.
Okay, so right now this music is literally gonna be in the background, and this is gonna be kind of doing makeup. So, Mom,
Yes.
I'm gonna do makeup on you.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
We always do that.
But I already have my makeup on. I had
Yeah.
a meeting this morning.
Yeah, we're doing a little touches.
All right. So what have you been up to, Bodhi, lately? Just makeup?
Yeah, but playing with my toys a little. Yeah.
And what color is that? Oh, that one's antique lace. That one we're out of stock on right now.
Yeah.
But it's a good one.
Yeah, it kind of blends in with like lots of like tan, a little Asian American, and like you and me.
Kind of Asian skin tone. Okay,
Yeah,
I like
it
it.
matches you.
Thanks,
so,
Bodhi.
So now we're gonna show how you can dance in your unique beauty.
Oh, you want to dance? Okay. I love it, Bodhi. Makeup dance party.
So you can dance all different ways, even if you have a disability.
Wow, that's awesome.
You gotta practice with help. This is how I got good with dancing. I do exercises, lots of planks. Those are a push-up pose.
Yes, you've been exercising a lot and dancing a lot
Yeah, and
during quarantine.
dancing is basically exercising.
Nice.
It basically starts to get tired, you know.
Is there anything else you want to tell everybody?
Yeah. Dance with your unique beauty, even if you are different than most people. Bye.
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 Good advice.